subscribers. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Badanim, for giving us a 500 pesos for our working fee.
And thank you again, Mr. Badanim, for still sponsoring the study room
Of Mary Jane and Mika.
That's all, and God bless you all Korean subscribers, and thank you again, Mr. Gegamdori, for sponsoring TV tomorrow.
No, this Sunday.
Sunday.
More subscribers, more viewers, more sponsors to come on YouTube channel of Mr. Jane Kim. Support her, support him YouTube channel. So, saranghayo. Opa. God bless. Bye.
Good afternoon, Mr. Jensen and Mr. Badanim. Thank you very much, Mr. Badanim, for giving electricity for me payments, and to Wi-Fi, Mr. Jensen. Thank you very much, Mr. Badanim, thank you very much. Mr. Jin Kim, thank you very much also. All Korean subscriber. Nya nana. Yellow ra kayo.
Dua na lang, kulang kaysa kayo wala. Where is that?
Mana ginamsanan? Pakai dalam basket ka na ko.
Murag ako may gikapoy ni Ganda. Uy, ganina raman ni siya.
Ganda, kaya hindi ka tayo ubat.
Ay, nunggoy.
Gila kata. Ayo.
Sige, ang sa subject karon. Uy, amiga subject karon. One to 10. Ang sa pinaka-inuwit? 10. Sige. Karon. Mamina. Sunod nga number. O arrange. Gikan sa dako nga number. Fertilizer.
The greatest
Sharon,
number.
dire ato
How
bang
about
Sharon?
the next number? Good, number 13. After 13, the least number is number 9.
Sa isa. Palihog ka, tikit. Ihatag nila. Then, ito na lang palihog. Then, 7, 5, 9. Same lang yan.
Number. How about the next number? Very good, number 7. And the least number? Great job, number 5.
Correct, Ate Bernadette? 975. Sige.
List, which are 14, 20, and 16.
Tabunan mo. Sige, ate. Gusto list.
Yo.
13. Tanaw na ito kung correct sa ate
Point is the greatest number.
Yukit kini sila. Isbog gamay
Good,
dito pa
number 20. How about the next number?
Ayaw mo dikit ka.
Very good. It's number 16 and the least number.
Wala lang mo. Karoon lang.
Ay, wala sila mag-record agad. Post video ako ng video.
Karoon lang mong duha. Hello, Surgeon Kim. This is ice cream to prepare the snack. Slice bread also, Mr. Jin Kim.
Ihatag na ng slice bread to Jin Kong.
Again, sisa dili ganun yun.
Hindi ka nagkuha sa tikas eh. Ngayon tabok ka.
Lalaki lang, lalaki, lalaki.
Mr. Badanim for our snacks. And also for our money. Thank you, Mr. POP for our ice cream. Sarangheyo apa?
Lupas-pas kay motag si Milcha, bay. La 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 la. Ihap-ihap pud say.
May pili ay ha. Reklamo ay.
Wala, mayo daw. Ako niya. Wala, pili aya. Di ko gusto.
Sige, 1. 2.
Sige, mag-start ko pa po guys. 1,
Ano mag-slash yung gilok?
2, 3,
Oh, wag gyud thank you oh, maihap para.
5, 6, 7, 8,
Mr. Badanim for giving us a 100 pesos. Sarangheyo apat. Okay, good night.